Hi, I'm Nikki Wolf with eXp Realty. Welcome to my new listing, 6051 West Benelex in Toledo, Ohio. This tri-level home is a must-see. It offers over 2,000 square feet of living space, spacious bedrooms, and 1.5 baths. The seamless flow of the tri-level design unfolds, offering 2,012 square feet of living space ready for its new owners. The main level offers an open concept living, dining, and kitchen space, creating an inviting atmosphere for family gatherings and entertaining guests. In the upper level of this home, you will discover 4 spacious bedrooms with hardwood floors and a spacious full bath. In the lower level, you will find a renovated half bath, laundry area, and inviting family room with wood-burning fireplace, as well as access to a patio, which has a fenced-in quarter-acre backyard. This meticulously maintained home is a must-see, so come check it out.